What's up guys, it's Christian from 252 Squad, and in today's video we are going to be installing my carbon fiber Alcantara steering wheel. This thing is so freaking cool. Alright, so step one, go to YouTube. Aftermarket. Step one, disconnect the battery. So, you know what they say, if you ain't driving a Ford, you ain't loving the Lord. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is disconnect the battery. So, disconnect. Negative, I think. Disconnect the negative. So I just realized that the camera was facing a little upwards. So basically all you need is a small pry tool, said pry tool, stick it into the side here. It's gonna come through, it's gonna hit those little tabs, and then you're gonna do the same on both sides. See? Then it's gonna hit those tabs, and then you're gonna unplug this black plug, and then these two connections. And they are color coded, so you can't get them wrong, right? Right. All right, next up, you're gonna disconnect this gray power. Just disconnect that and pull, right?
Remove the 24mm bolt.
24mm. That's a big nut. Here.
Be careful fishing the wires through the openings of the steering wheel. Note the clock spring position.
All right, guys, I'm gonna need y'all to remember something. All this. Smile, you're on camera.
Two very boring minutes later.
20,000 steps later. Okay. Soft. Ooh, I'm squeezing them. I'm squeezing them some wires.
It's just, what are you squeezing wires? Where?
Yep, I'm squeezing the wires right there. Sponge! SpongeBob!
You need a battery.
Did I not plug in something?
5 minutes later.
Dude. Now for the fun part. Why are you stepping away? There's no electricity. It's gonna be real scary freaking putting that battery back on, but obviously it won't be in here.
Oh, careful. You're pitching in here. Just a horn.
Yeah, it's just a horn, I'm guessing. Alright guys, let's see. That was easy. Next, the shift knob. Twist this thing off. Nut on. Broken. Let me put that on a little differently. You get the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you know when we upload. Have a good one. Peace!